In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add JSON in N8n in just a few minutes. This is perfect whether you're brand new to automation or already building workflows and want to speed things up. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official N8n website. Once you're inside your account, go to the workflow editor where you want the JSON to be imported. Having the right workflow open helps you stay organized and prevents confusion later. At the top of the editor, you will see 3 dots that open the additional options menu. Click on those dots and from the drop-down, choose Import from File. This is the feature that allows you to bring external workflow structures directly into N8n. Before you hit import, make sure your JSON file is already saved somewhere easy to access on your device. When the file selector window appears, navigate to your JSON file, select it and confirm. N8n will immediately start processing and loading it into your workflow. Within a moment, your JSON is fully imported and ready to edit, customize, or connect with other nodes. That's it. You've successfully added JSON into N8n, giving you a faster and much more efficient way to build automations. Keep experimenting, keep exploring, and enjoy building smarter workflows. Happy automating!